People think beavers only build dams, but we also throw the wildest damn parties. And sometimes it gets crazy.
Yes, I remember that. Last year it was chaos. And trust me, you don't want to double book a beer barrel.
But today, we use Apwide Booking. Life's easier.
Dam is finished. Let's organize the Appterparty. But last time your planning was so poor, we ended up with one portable toilet for a couple dozen beavers. I still remember their screams.
Last time, we didn't have Apwide Booking, my furry friend. Watch and learn. See, we imported all our gear from Jira Assets. No need to add things one by one. Our whole stash is already here. That's great, because we have this huge list of inflatable flamingos filtered by size and color. And I just create booking flows for them with a couple clicks. For some stuff, you pick exact start and end time for the booking, like the crane for drop-in the disco ball. Other times, you can book by selecting predefined slots, like booking hot tub sessions.
Strict schedule, no anarchy.
Organizers can book directly in Jira. But our guests, they don't even need a Jira account. They can just use the JSM portal to book their tables or parking spots.
Great! Even a raccoon can book a parking slot. I booked a canoe as a bet. Best decision ever.
Whether we work or party, efficiency is sexy.
Bruder, I'm not just your helper. I'm actually your long-lost German sister.
Yo, what?
This was Appwide's Octoberfest submission for Apwide Booking. Please remember to cast your vote for us in the poll and help Beavers win.